Google My Business for MSPs. 8 ways to optimize your listing to generate more leads. For MSPs, what's the best way to stay visible and competitive? The powerful free tool Google My Business is your answer, and we'll show you how to use it in this video. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub for more tech content like this. What is Google My Business? When it comes to boosting your business's visibility, your Google Business profile is only part of the puzzle. To unlock its full potential, you'll need to claim and manage it through a Google My Business or GMB account. That's where the real magic happens. Profile optimization, photo uploads, customer engagement, and more. Why Google My Business matters. More people are researching online before buying, even for services. Consider this. 50% of consumers visit a business the same day they find it in a local search. 80% lose trust if they find inconsistent details online. Your GMB listing can be a lead generation tool if it's properly maintained. How to use Google My Business to optimize your listing. Let's walk through 8 effective ways to make your GMB profile work harder for your MSP. First, update your profile information. Make sure everything is complete and accurate. Your business name, address, hours, service areas, phone number, all of it. Practice basic SEO. Use targeted keywords in your business description, posts, and even review responses. Link your GMB with Google Ads. Smart campaigns let you run location-based ads. You can't control where they appear, but this increases your odds of showing up higher. Ask for reviews. Don't wait for reviews, ask for them. Do this right after a positive experience, especially if you're tracking CSAT or NPS scores. Add high-quality photos. Photos catch attention and tell your brand's story. Upload exterior shots, team photos, and images that highlight your services. Use the Q&A feature. Answer customers' questions before they even call you. It helps build trust, improves SEO, and positions you as the expert. Post regular updates. Posts are perfect for quick updates, sales, policy changes, or events. They expire after a week, so keep it fresh. Lastly, check out the competition. Look at what your competitors are doing. Learn what works, borrow ideas, and stay relevant. At the end of the day, updating and optimizing your GMB profile is a low-effort, high-reward way to boost your online presence and generate leads. For more information, check out our official blog post on Google My Business, linked in the description below.